Alright, in this video I'm gonna explain how you can add random friends in Monopoly Go and how it works basically. So if we go to the Friends tab in the bottom right corner, as you can see right now I can't add anyone. I can only add, I can add people from my contacts, or I can invite other people by sending the link, but I can't add random friends. So how this actually works is if you interact with a person enough times, so let's say you get to shut them down or you rob their bank, right here they will be added as a suggestion so you can add them. So you will see the button right here to add them and you can just press on it. Another thing you can do is wait for people to add them yourself, to add them yourselves. So for example, they see you in the same principle, they see you randomly, they try to shut you down enough times, they interact with you, and they will get the option right here to add you. So they can just press on it and you will receive the friend request on this same page. So that's it really. You have to interact with the people randomly, and that's how you get the chance to randomly add them if you don't want to add people from your contacts or people you know. So that's it, you gotta interact with them, and it's all random right here that it shows. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.